look you here. Lazy town. 1 hour stop for lunch.
Wash clothes. What you all need is rhythm.
What do you all mean, rhythm?
I'll show you what I mean. In Harlem, there's a little place where everyone goes to see the way a washerwoman washes her clothes.
If you like boogie woogie rhythm, she's got a beat. That's a boogie woogie washerwoman give you a treat. On every afternoon, that's when the sessions begin, and all the boys from all the bands come down and sit in. They sit around and knock each other out when they play. While the boogie woogie woman watches all day. Rub me up down. That's just the way she rubs. Rub me up down. That's just the way she rubs. Rub me up down. She wears her all and down. She rubs and rubs the knuckles right on down to the nub. Rub me up down. That's how she kicks it off. Rub me up down. She keeps it nice and soft. Rub me up down. 'Cause someone is all from me, mama with the boogie beat. You really ought to visit there if you've never been. It doesn't cost a penny, just come down and walk in. If you like boogie woogie rhythm, you'll get a treat. That's the boogie woogie what you want to get you a treat.
Rubbly up dub. Rubbly up dub. She rubbed and rubbed the knuckles right on down to the nub, yeah. And she keeps it nice and soft.
Someone hollered off.
Scrub me, mama, with a boogie beat.
Rub, 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 rubbing all day. Scrub, 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 scrubbing away. Scrub me, mama, beat me, mama, rub me, mama, scrub me, mama.
Oh, how she'll get you with her rub-dee-dee-up-dub. She'll really with her rub-dee-dee-up-dub. You need them yellow medley. Oh, come on down, there is a treat for you. There is nothing for you but let the boogie woogie washerwoman scrub you. Let the boogie woogie be